Hey guys, wanted to talk to you about buying a condo. So here's a few tips when buying a condo. You want to check out quite a few things with a condo, especially with the HOA and what kind of reserves does the HOA carry. What kind of HOA fee are you paying? Because sometimes that lower HOA fee could be a good thing and it could be a bad thing, because later on you buy into this complex and they have a low HOA fee. But let's say the roofs need to be repaired or replaced and they don't have enough in the coffers to cover that stuff. Well, do you know who's going to pay for that? You're going to pay for that. You and all the other homeowners in that homeowners association of that condo complex are going to end up kicking up $10,000, $40,000, $20,000 a piece to make sure all of these repairs are taken care of. And you are responsible for that because you're part of this HOA. So keep that in mind when buying a condo.